In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move text or image on PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. To get started, open Adobe Acrobat Pro and make sure the PDF you want to work on is already open on your screen. Before making any changes, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that you're editing the correct file, especially if you have multiple PDFs open. This will help you avoid moving the wrong content by mistake. Once your document is open, go ahead and click on Edit. This is the tool that allows you to interact with elements inside the PDF, including text boxes and images. If you don't select Edit first, Acrobat may only let you view the document rather than reposition the content. So this step is important because it switches you into editing mode. After that, find the text or image you want to move. When you click on it, you should see a line or border appear around that item. Click directly on that outlined area and hold it. This border shows that Acrobat has recognized the object as something you can edit or reposition. Try to click carefully on the actual object boundary so you select the correct element, especially if the page has a lot of content close together. With the object selected, move it around the page by dragging it to the position you want. As you drag, the text or image will follow your cursor, allowing you to place it more accurately. Take your time with this part so the item ends up where you want it. If you are adjusting a layout, it can help to visually line the object up with nearby text, margins, or other images so the page still looks clean and professional. That's really all there is to it. Open your PDF, click Edit, select the outlined text or image, then drag it to a new location on the page. It's a simple process, but being precise while selecting and moving the object can make a big difference in the final result. If you notice that the item doesn't move right away, just click again to make sure the correct object is selected, then try dragging one more time. Small adjustments are often easier than large ones, especially when you want the placement to look polished. And that's how to move text or an image on a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro.